Hey guys, Cryptodad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase altcoins using Coinbase Pro, the new application from Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase is a very familiar platform to most people. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash. But it's not really a trading platform. The trading platform owned by that company was called GDAX, and I believe GDAX is, you can still use GDAX, but they have a new trading platform called Coinbase Pro, which sort of combines the best features of Coinbase and GDAX and sort of makes the whole thing a little more consistent. You've got Coinbase and you've got the Coinbase Pro. Okay, so the new Coinbase Pro is going live. I'm assuming it will eventually replace GDAX. And it's very similar to GDAX, but there's a new interface. So I wanted to do a quick demo on how you buy altcoins and use Coinbase Pro. For those of you who may not have ever used GDAX, it's a wonderful way to save on transfer fees, because it's a trading platform and they want you to trade on their platform, and to entice you to do so, they sort of eat the network fees that are normally associated with cryptocurrency transfers from one place to another. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some altcoin today. So I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase Pro to buy altcoin, and I'm going to buy some Cardano. Now, they do not have Cardano on Coinbase Pro. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So how am I going to buy some Cardano? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some crypto on Coinbase. I'm going to deposit it in my Coinbase Pro. I'm going to transfer it from my Coinbase Pro to an exchange that supports Cardano. Then I'm going to make a few trades on Binance in order to get my Cardano, and then I will transfer that Cardano into a wallet. So hang on, guys. I'm going to try to go through this as quickly as possible. So hold on to your hats. Let's move out. Once we're logged into Coinbase, what I'm going to do is buy some Litecoin. Now, the reason I'm buying Litecoin is because it's very fast, okay? Litecoin transfers very quickly across the Litecoin network. And in order to speed up the transaction, instead of using my bank account, which could take 2 to 3 business days to clear, I'm going to use my debit card. Now, the debit card, the fees are a bit higher, but the transaction is practically instantaneous, especially with Litecoin. So let's go down here. We're going to buy $100 worth of Litecoin. And as you can see here, they've given me the amount of Litecoin that I'm going to get with that $100. All right, and I'm just going to go down here and choose buy Litecoin instantly. And we'll go over here to confirm buy. And then we'll go back over here to accounts, and you can see that I have that Litecoin right away. I didn't have to wait 2 or 3 days for it. So now let's go back over here to our Coinbase Pro, and I'll show you how these two accounts are tied together. And there are several ways to achieve this, but I'm going to show you kind of a straightforward. We can go over here to My Wallets, and they'll show you the amounts in all of your wallets. So I'm going to go down here to deposit, this little button here. I'm going to click deposit, and I'm going to select Litecoin, which is what I want to transfer into this account. And I can deposit from another Litecoin address, or I could use my Coinbase Litecoin wallet. And as you can see here, I've got a Litecoin balance in Coinbase, which I can transfer directly into Coinbase Pro like that. Now, the reason that I'm transferring it into Coinbase Pro is if I were to transfer my Litecoin out of Coinbase directly, I would incur the Litecoin network fees. You know, they just sort of throw you to the dogs when you use Coinbase. You're just throwing out your, when you're transferring your crypto out, it gets thrown onto the network just like anybody else, and you incur network fees. And like I said, Coinbase Pro will absorb those fees. All right. So now that I've got, let's check my wallet now. And I've got some Litecoin in my Litecoin wallet on Coinbase Pro. So what I want to do is get that Litecoin into an exchange that supports Cardano, because that's my goal here. I want to buy some Cardano. All right, let's check our wallets. Let's see if they've got ADA here. They do, and deposits and withdrawals are enabled. So you always want to check that, because sometimes wallets go down on these exchanges for maintenance, and if you've got a plan and you want to transfer some crypto, you want to just double check to make sure that deposits and withdrawals are enabled on the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Okay, so how am I going to get ADA? We go over here to trade, and you can see I can buy ADA with a Binance coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether. All right, and I have Litecoin. So what am I going to do? Easy peasy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the Litecoin wallet on my Binance account, and as you can see, it's completely empty, but I'm going to do a deposit. I'm going to move the Litecoin in, right? And there's the Litecoin address of the Binance Litecoin wallet. So I'm going to copy that into my clipboard. I'm going to go over here to Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to do a withdrawal. And I'm going to withdraw Litecoin. And my destination is that Litecoin address that I just copied from my Binance account. I'm going to send it all. So I just click withdrawal. And I need to enter my two-step authentication. Now this two-step authentication code is the Coinbase authentication code. They both use the exact same Google Authenticator account. You don't have a separate one for Coinbase Pro. All right, I enter that two-step authentication code, and boom, they tell me my transaction is on the way. We can go back over here to Binance and take a look at our transaction history. And you can see that I've got that incoming Litecoin transaction already on its way. Well, it has arrived. I have the Litecoin in the wallet, but I do have to wait for the confirmations in order to spend it. No biggie. And this is why I use Litecoin, because Litecoin is so much faster than transferring ETH or Bitcoin from Coinbase Pro. Even though Coinbase Pro absorbs the transaction fees, they're still using the blockchain of the associated cryptocurrency. So when they transfer the Litecoin, yes, they're absorbing the fees, but they are sending it out onto the Litecoin network. So when they send it out across the ETH network or across the Bitcoin network, it could take much longer. So that is why I choose to use Litecoin. I buy it quick, I deposit it quick, and then I transfer it quick into my Binance account. All right. So I just heard the little alert. I get an email alert when a deposit is completed in Binance. So now we know that we've got the Litecoin in our wallet. And there you can see I've got that Litecoin. Now what I want to do is trade it for something I can use to buy Cardano. In this case, I'm going to use BNB, which is the Binance coin. When you use Binance coin, they give you a little bit of a break on their transaction fees. You will get some transaction fees on the cryptocurrency exchanges. That's just the way they work. All right, so we'll go over here to trade, and we'll choose BNB. All right, and I want to sell all my Litecoin for BNB. So we're going to go Litecoin, and we're going to just do 100% of my Litecoin, and I will get BNB in return. So I'm just going to click Sell Litecoin. All right, and then we can go back up here to Wallets, Funds, they call it. And then you can see I've got that Binance coin now. All right, so now let's buy our target coin, which we decided is going to be Cardano. I'm going to go over here to trade Cardano for BNB. See, you can see I've got BNB here. I'm going to switch over to market so that this executes right away. All right, I'm going to leave myself a little leeway to pay the fee with my BNB. And I'm going to choose Buy ADA, and there we go. Now that we've managed to do that, you can see that I've got ADA in my wallet now, about 800 Cardano. So I managed to get the cryptocurrency that I was after. Now what I want to do is withdraw. All right, so in order to do that, I'm going to go to my Daedalus wallet, and I'm going to choose receive. I'm going to copy this receiving address into my clipboard. I'm going to go back over here to Binance. I'm going to choose withdrawal. And I'm going to paste in that address there. And I'm just going to transfer it all, right? They're going to charge me 1 ADA. So I'm going to click submit. Okay, so I'm going to put in my 2-factor authentication. All right, and then Binance always sends me a confirmation email that I need to respond to. I'm just going to confirm that withdrawal. All right, and we can go to deposits and withdrawal and see that I pulled that ADA out of there and moved it into my wallet. And we can go over here to my ADA wallet and just kind of wait for that to come in. And when it says completed, it'll probably show up in my wallet. Ah, there it is right now. Okay. So as you can see, the Cardano has now been transferred into my wallet, and that's where I'm going to safely store it. So, and it will take a while to confirm, but it will. So, a quick overview. We bought Litecoin on Coinbase in the interest of speed using our debit card, deposited it in our Coinbase Pro account, which also happened very quickly. Then we took that Litecoin and transferred it into our Binance account, and that was to save fees and in the interest of speed. Once we had the Litecoin in our Binance account, we bought some BNB, some Binance coin, which allowed us to buy some Cardano, which we can't do a one-to-one exchange between Litecoin and Cardano. So we bought the Binance coin, and then we bought the Cardano on Binance, and then we transferred it into our Daedalus wallet, which is the wallet for Cardano. And as you can see, the Cardano wallet is confirming that transaction, and it gives it a higher rating the more confirmations it goes through. Before I sign off, I'd like to let you know that I do have a live stream every Friday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the live Q&A from LA. I encourage you to join me and throw out any questions that you may have. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted anytime I post a new video. Once again, thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a great day.